इंसान को उम्र थका नहीं सकती, ठोकरें गिरा नहीं सकती, और जिद है कुछ करने की तो उसे हार भी हरा नहीं सकती। अगर दोस्तों मंजिल पर निकल चुके हो तो कुछ भी हो जाए तुम्हें डट कर सामना करना है, डट कर लड़ना है। बांध लो कफन सर पर, जो भी हो जाए मैं सहूंगा। See your parent, they get up earlier at the morning. Your mother, she cooks food and she serves first of all to you. Why? And you were saying like you have faced only one problem and you were saying I cannot do. I have not that much ability and capability to tolerate it. I can't. Why are you saying like this? Why are you saying like this? Tell me. You know, one day I was coming from my school, and what happened, like it was summer season and it was 12 o'clock. So I spent it at least only 5 minutes, and I could not tolerate that, you know, like heat. So my father, he is a mason, so he, like, for him heat, cold, rain, nothing, he has to spend himself in that. So if he can tolerate this much for us, then why not we? If our parent, and why, like, you are doing such activity, you are tolerating this all only for yourself, only for your dream, but your parent are sacrificing for you, for you, only for you. Why? Because they want that the problem, the situation that I am getting, my children should not. I, like, they can do anything for you, for your dream. So you cannot do little bit for your dream. Tell me. Yesterday, I went for sleeping. I was thinking that why God is taking such a long time. I really want to do something better and enormous. Then how? How will I do? So I am doing hard work, and I have decided that I will never give up. So whatever situation I am facing, according to that, I am telling you. And I would like to tell you that कि मंजिल पर निकल चुके हो तो ये बात ध्यान रखना कि तुम्हें इसे कैसे भी पाना ही होगा. Not for yourself, but at least for your parent. Yes, at least for your parent. And like what has happened with me, I would like to tell you. Nowadays, I am going to bed late, and I get up at like sometime 4:30, like 5:30, and although I don't feel sleep at the night. Yes, I don't sleep. Means I don't feel sleep. Means like nowadays I'm doing a study because my exam is around the corner. I have to manage the time as well. And today is Ganga Snan, so due to this reason I couldn't go to school. So I cooked dinner as well. And now, like, I am making this video. Before this I was doing a study, and I will do a study again. So why I am doing such activity? Because I can see my parents are doing hard work. Yes, and my mother, like, she does a lot for me, a lot and a lot for me. So I can also tolerate it. And जो मतलब कि सक्सेस क्या है एंड हारना क्या है, ये आप दुनिया में समझ जाओगे ना, अपने लाइफ में समझ जाओगे ना, जिंदगी भर आप नहीं रिपेंट करोगे. यू विल नेवर रिपेंट, यू विल नेवर लाइक एम्बैरस. जब बार बार आपको लाइफ गिराए, अगर लाइफ आपको चुनौती देती है तो उस चुनौती का डट कर सामना करो. पीठ पीछे मत करो, भागो मत, साहस दिखाओ. जुनून है हम में, है जुनून हमें, हम कर सकते हैं. अगर हम चाहे तो दुनिया में कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. और अगर हम अपने मुश्किलों से, मुश्किलें कितनी भी, अगर हम उसको डट कर सामना करें, अगर हम उसे लड़े, बार बार लड़े, तो इस दुनिया में इम्पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि आप सक्सेस नहीं ले सकते। आएगी सक्सेस। हाँ, हो सकता है कि ये टाइम टेकिंग हो सकता है, बट अगर आप डटकर अपने लक्ष्य पर सामना करें, बार बार हार्डवर्क करें, तो ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप जिंदगी में कुछ कर ना सको। और यह गांठ बांध लेना कि दुनिया में कुछ करना है तो कुछ खोना तो पड़ेगा ही। सैक्रिफाइस की ताली एक हाथ से कभी बजती ही नहीं, कभी भी नहीं। सो इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, डू हार्ड वर्क।